open floor plan mistakes and how to fix them. Hey there, welcome back. If you're thinking of designing or reworking an open floor plan, this one's for you. Open floor plans. They're all about creating a spacious, airy feel and bringing everything together in one big room. But here's the thing. While open floor plans can be gorgeous, they can also present a few challenges. If you're not careful, they can end up feeling disconnected or just not as functional as they could be. So today, we're going to go over some common open floor plan mistakes, and most importantly, how to fix them. Let's jump right in. Mistake 1, not defining zones properly. Okay, the first mistake we often see is not defining different zones within the open floor plan. It can make the space feel disconnected or overwhelming, and things can start blending into one another. You want that flow, but you also need structure. So, here's the fix. Create visual boundaries with furniture. For example, use rugs to define your living room area and place your dining table in a way that marks the dining space. A simple trick is to angle your sofa to cut the space into sections. It doesn't need walls to feel organized, just a little thought into layout. Poor traffic flow. Next, let's talk about traffic flow. One of the biggest issues with open spaces is poor traffic flow, which happens when there's not enough room to walk comfortably between furniture. You can't have a layout that's just pretty. It needs to be practical too. To fix this, think of it like creating a path through space. Make sure your major furniture pieces, like couches or tables, are at least 3 feet apart from other items to allow easy movement. And leave clear walkways so everyone can get from one area to another without feeling cramped. Overcrowding the space with furniture? Another mistake we see all the time is overcrowding the space. With open floor plans, it's easy to think you need a lot of furniture to fill the space, but that can make it feel cluttered and hard to relax in. So, here's the fix. Less is more. Pick furniture that's functional and scaled to the space. A big sectional can fill a room, but it can also overwhelm it. Consider multifunctional pieces like a storage ottoman or a sleek console table, and focus on keeping open areas so the space feels light and airy. Not considering sound. In an open floor plan, sound can be a challenge. Without enough soft surfaces, your space can feel echoey or noisy, especially if there's minimal furniture or lots of hard materials like wood or tile. To fix this, add soft textures that absorb sound. Think plush rugs, heavy curtains, or upholstered furniture. You can also add fabric-covered wall panels or cushions to break up the noise and help sound stay contained within the space. This will not only improve acoustics, but also make the room feel more comfortable and cozy. Overlooking the style consistency. When you mix too many conflicting styles in an open floor plan, the space can end up feeling disjointed and chaotic. To solve this, keep a consistent design theme throughout the space. You can still introduce variety, but make sure there's a common thread, whether it's color, material, or design style, that ties everything together. This will help create harmony and balance across the entire room. Overusing open shelving. While open shelving can add style and accessibility, it's easy for it to become a storage nightmare if not styled properly. Too many open shelves can end up looking messy and take away from the clean, spacious feel of an open floor plan. To fix this, use open shelves sparingly. Keep only a few decorative items, such as vases, books, or art pieces, to create a clean look. For anything that doesn't need to be on display, consider using closed storage or cabinets to maintain order and avoid visual clutter. By addressing these common mistakes, you can create a harmonious and functional open floor plan that works for your lifestyle. Remember, the key is to create a balance between openness and definition, so that the space feels both spacious and purposeful. With a little creativity and planning, you can turn your open floor plan into a beautiful and functional area that you'll love spending time in. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing!